Good morning from Tehuantepec. It's 7 in the morning and we're already pushing out the door. 6 hours, that's what stands between us and San Cristóbal de las Casas today.
So have you had Domingo? No, she wasn't awake.
Before we roll, our tour director Sus pulls us together for the morning briefing. We will be crossing the Isthmus of Tehuantepec, the narrowest sliver of Mexico, barely 200 kilometers, separating the Gulf of Mexico from the Pacific. And through that gap, funneled by mountains, blast some of the most violent winds in the Americas.
So we have wind coming from the 4 cardinal points, and you start feeling that the car is doing this. Is pretty normal.
You don't feel it this morning, but you know it. This land has a fury to it. First thing that catches your eye is the wind farm. Turbines as far as you can see in every direction. Enormous white blades turning in the same invisible force. Sus wasn't exaggerating. Nobody builds wind farms in a place like this without good reason. Then a highway stop. One of those roadside convenience stores that exists purely to save long-distance travelers from themselves. Coffee, the universal reset button for any road trip. And then, almost without you noticing, the landscape starts to shift. The road starts to wind. Valleys open below. The air through the van window is different. Cooler, greener. We're climbing, and Mexico is changing around us, scene by scene. Traffic thickens. Color starts bleeding into the streets. San Cristóbal feels different. The first step onto cobblestone, and something just settles. Like the city has been here long enough, that it knows exactly what it is. You're the newcomer, finding your footing. 2,200 meters above sea level, the city sits in a highland valley, ringed by misty mountains and hilltop churches. 6 hours ago, I was sweating in Tehuantepec. Now I'm reaching for a jacket.
This is me. I can't get.
Right? Yeah. Really good, like Argentina, pizzas, a little bit of.
Sus leads us on an orientation walk. Terracotta rooftops, colonial facades. The soft clatter of life carrying on. You notice the textures here, the worn wood of a door frame. Hand-painted letters on the shop door.
Do you know the amber, the stone? Yes. It's very famous in Chiapas. That is the market of handcraft. Really good prices. And if you want to buy souvenirs, that is a perfect place.
3:30 and Sus sets us loose. May finds churros almost immediately. That's very May. We wander into the Mercado de la Caridad in Santo Domingo. A wonderful tangle of handicraft stalls under makeshift tents. Textiles, woven bags. And somewhere in there, May spots a Lucha Libre mask. She doesn't just buy it. She puts it on and doesn't take it off for the rest of the walk. That's also very May. We end at the plaza. The sun drops behind the highlands. The kind of sunset that makes you grateful you went all this way and made it to San Cristóbal.